Hi everyone, it's our demo time again. So you may ask, what is storage cluster? So storage cluster is basically a methodology to extend the Azure Stack HCI cluster from a single site to a two-site with the purpose to achieve high availability, inter-site load balancing, as well as disaster recovery. So in this demo, I have prepared two sites. The first is Malaysia site, then Australia site, and each side we have two nodes Azure Stack HCI. Okay, and these Azure Stack HCI actually form with the same set of cluster. Okay, so we will demonstrate how can we switch the storage replica direction from the Malaysia side to the Australia side, as well as we move the active VM from the Malaysia side to the Australia side. Also, we will demonstrate the entire Australia side down, then the storage will fail back to Malaysia side. Also, the VM will fail back to Malaysia side. Well, let me show you how the lab was built. So in this Azure Stack HCI cluster, we have a two side. Malaysia side with the two node server, Australia side with another two node server. And if you click the volume inventory, we will see that in the Malaysia side, we have a volume 01, volume 01 log as a source. So in Australia side, we have a volume 01 replica and the log as the destination. Next, let's click on this storage replica and understand the partnership. We will choose the second one, volume 01 group. As what you can see, the source is not 01. Destination is not 04, which means that the replication is from Malaysia to the Australia side. Okay, next, let's click on the virtual machine. As what you can see here, we have only one virtual machine, which is named VM01 and located in the node 01 in Malaysia. Okay, let's start with the demo to switch the storage replica direction. Okay, we click this partnership. As well, you can see the source is not 01, destination is not 04. And now we click this switch direction. Okay, once successfully switched, okay, you can see that the source becomes not 04 and the destination becomes not 02, which means that it replicates from Australia to the Malaysia. Let's see clearer and understand clearer from these volumes. As what you can see here, the volumes in the Australia side become source. Okay, volume 01 in the Malaysia side become destination. So this is how the storage replica, the switch direction works. Next, we're going to move the VM from the Malaysia side to the Australia side. Okay, by click this VM01, as what you can see here is not 01. So next, we click this manage, move, choose the VM and storage, and the cluster, choose the SC cluster 01. The member server, we will choose the node 03, which means in Australia. Okay, next for the path of the VM, we will choose the volume 01. Okay, once confirmed, everything fine, and click, we will start with this move button operation. And you will start to move. And once successful, you will see that the VM01 should move to the node 03, which is in Australia. So in next demo, we will demonstrate the entire Australia side down. So as what you can see, Australia side down. The not 03 and 04, red color. And what you can see in the volume, you will show that Australia side down with the now, NULL now. Okay? And the volume 01 in Malaysia become the source already, which means that it actually auto failback. And if you click on the storage replica, So the partnership, the source become node 01 and the destination become node 02, which means that the replication happen only in Malaysia SAM side. If we click the virtual machine, and you will see that it failed back to the node 01 located in Malaysia. Okay, so this is how the entire storage cluster concept works. Hope you like it. Thanks.